baby. That's right. That's it. Ain't nothing in this house. Every time I come in the kitchen, you in the kitchen. In the goddamn refrigerator, eating up all the food, all the chicken, all the pig feet, all the collard greens, all the hog maws. I want to eat some of them chitlins. I love pig feet. And now, when I went to bed last night, didn't I tell you to take out the trash?
Yeah,
So why didn't you do it?
I fell asleep.
I wish you was sleeping right now. I'll knock you upside your head with a left hook, make your ass wake up and take out that damn trash. Hey. What are you doing?
I'm throwing this away. We ain't even got no milk.
You better put some water on that damn shit.
All right, I eat it.
Hey! Take the garbage out front, son. Easy. What is wrong with him?